For this exercise, we've been asked to work with tan. So tan of angles in radians, tan of angles in degrees. So for this thing, what we have to do is we have to apply the rule that, whoops, I'm writing that in the wrong place. I'll write it down here. Tan of theta equals sine of theta over cos of theta. So we're finding tan, we've got to work out these two things first. So pi on 2, I'm going to start here at 0, I'm going to use a different colour, yellow. So tan of pi on 2, going to start here, that's at 0, and around to pi on 2, a bit hard to see, but that's where I'm stopping. So sine is equal to 1, so we'll say that equals sine of pi on 2. I'm going to say cos of pi on 2. So we know sine of pi on 2 is equal to 1. Cos of pi over 2 equals 0. Therefore, it is undefined. For tan of 180, I'm going to use a different colour. Oh, sorry, negative 180. So we're starting here, and then negative. So we're going to go we're going to go clockwise. That's 90. That's 180. So therefore, that becomes sine of negative 180 over cos negative 180. Sine of 180, sine of negative 180 is equal to 0. Cos of negative 180 is equal to 1, so we end up with 0. That's all we're doing for that. So just to recap, find sine of the angle, find cos of the angle by either going anti-clockwise or clockwise if it's negative, anti-clockwise if it's positive, around unit circle that many radians or that many degrees, and then work out sine of that angle divided by cos of that angle, and you'll end up with your answer.